Hope everyone is having a great Veterans Day, and if you're a veteran, thank you for your service, and make sure to check if you're eligible to waive the annual fee on some of your travel credit cards. I was recently asked the question if I had to choose only 5 travel credit cards to keep, which ones I'd keep and why. I was actually asked this question in the comments under my video with Ben on his channel Credit Shifo. So I also want to take this opportunity to thank all of you who left positive feedback on that video and came here to join me on my channel. So thank you and welcome. Hey guys, my name is Rami and welcome to Points Pointers. My goal for this channel is to help you earn and redeem as many points as possible to upgrade your travels for little to no money. So if you're interested in travel hacking and award travel, then smash the like button and please consider subscribing. I'll also share a lot of reviews of first and business class flights from around the world, as well as some travel vlogs. You can also download my free 10-step travel hacking guide in the description below. The first amazing travel credit card I'd keep has to be the Platinum from American Express. It's really a great credit card. Well, it's actually not a credit card, it's a charge card, which means you have to pay off the full balance every month, which I do anyway on all of my cards, so that's besides the point. I actually made a whole video about 13 reasons why I love the Platinum card from American Express and why it's worth the annual fee of $550. I'll put a link to that video up here. For the purpose of this video, here's why this is one of the 5 credit cards I would keep. The Platinum card comes with a 60,000 points sign-up bonus, and sometimes you can be targeted for a 100,000 points bonus. That bonus alone is worth $2,000 at a 2 cent per point valuation. You get $200 in Uber credit every year, which works with Uber Eats as well. And it's set at $15 per month, and in December it's $35. You also get $200 in airline credits every year. You get $100 in statement credits for purchases at Saks Fifth Avenue. You also get $100 in statement credit towards TSA PreCheck or Global Entry. You get elite status with a bunch of hotels and rental car companies, and the Platinum card has the best lounge access compared to other premium cards. You get access to the Centurion lounges, Delta Sky Clubs whenever you're flying on Delta Airlines. You get Plaza Premium Lounges, Airspace Lounges, and of course a Priority Pass Select membership, which gives you access to over 1,000 lounges around the world. The second credit card I keep is the Citi Prestige credit card from Citibank. Here's why. Starting January 4th, 2019, this card will earn 5 times points on dining and airfare, which is just amazing. It will also earn 3 points on hotels and cruises. Also, starting in January, the Citi Prestige will offer a yearly $250 statement credit towards travel purchases that was previously only for airfare purchases, so now they expanded to general travel purchases. The main reason I'll be keeping the card though is for the 4th night free benefit. This is the most unique benefit from any credit card, where if you stay in a hotel for 4 or more nights, you get the equivalent of 1 night's value back as a statement credit. This benefit is not capped in terms of dollars, but starting September 2019, it will be capped to be used only twice a year. The third credit card I would keep is the Chase Sapphire Reserve, and here's why. The card offers $300 in travel credit every year that applies towards a broad definition of travel, even Uber and parking counts. Another main reason is the ability to redeem ultimate rewards points towards travel with a value of 1.5 cents per point when booking through Chase's travel portal. This adds a flexibility dimension to using these points. Now, just to summarize those first 3, these are the premium cards from the 3 major banks, and having all 3 of them opens up a ton of potential transfer partners where I can use the points I earn for maximum value. Now, the next 2 cards are complementary cards. The 4th card I'd keep is the Chase Freedom, with rotating quarterly categories where I can earn 5 times points and up to $1,500. It's a great sidekick card for the Chase Sapphire Reserve. If I maximize the 5 times points every quarter, that's 30,000 ultimate rewards points per year. The last card I'd keep is the Amex Everyday Preferred card. Why? Because the card earns 3 times points on supermarkets up to $6,000 a year, 2 times points on gas stations, and you can earn 50% additional points every billing period when you make 30 transactions or more. So this makes it a great card for everyday spending to earn a ton of Amex membership rewards points. So there you have it. If I have to keep only 5 travel rewards credit cards, Those are the ones I keep: the Amex Platinum, the Citi Prestige, the Chase Sapphire Reserve, the Chase Freedom, and the Amex Everyday Preferred. I hope this was useful for you guys, and thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if this is your first time here, please subscribe and hit the bell button, because every week I'm publishing videos to help you earn a ton of credit card points and frequent flyer miles that will enable you to travel the world for little to no money.